Located about 89 kilometers from Mumbai and 68 kilometers from Pune, is one of the best built forts of the Maratha Empire. At a height of 3,450 feet above sea level lies this pre-British era marvel of Indian history called Lohagad Fort. The fort is located close to the hill station of Lonavala in the state of Maharashtra. There are several options for getting to Lohagad Fort. The first and also the most economical way is to board a train from Mumbai or Pune and get down at Lonavala station. The train ride takes about 3 hours from Mumbai and 1 hour from Pune respectively. From Lonavala station, one can take a local shuttle train to Malavli station. Lohagad Fort is located about 8 to 9 kilometers from Malavli station. Walking to the fort takes 2 to 3 hours depending on pace. The second and most convenient option is to hire a private vehicle to Lohagarh, which is the base village near which the fort is located. Such vehicles are easily available at reasonable rates from both Mumbai and Pune. State transport or ST buses from Mumbai or Pune to Lonavala bus stand is the third option. From the bus stand, rickshaws are available to Lohagad Fort. Frequent buses are available from Mumbai Central leaving after an interval of 30 minutes. The buses from Pune ply every 15 minutes. The fort is open from 9 am to 5:30 pm. Entry fees are 25 rupees for Indian visitors and 300 rupees for foreign visitors. Located in the mighty Sahyadris, Lohagad Fort divides the Pavanar Indrayani basin and stands as mighty guards to the trade route connecting the Deccan Plateau to Konkan. Due to its strategic location, Lohagad Fort had created an extra edge over its invading enemies. Close to Lohagad, on its eastern side, there is another fort called Visapur. Climbing the fort from the north towards Lohagadwadi village, the famous Buddhist caves of Bhaja are located to the left. The 4 large gates of Lohagad Fort are very intricately arranged and are still intact. There is also a small temple and grave of a Muslim Peer, also known as a Sufi master, located in the fort. This one is the fourth and final gate to reach the Lohagad Fort top. This structure is called Raja Rani Mandir and near to that is SABHA MANDAP. It is said that the fort was built by Guru Gobind Singh to serve as a prison. The history of this fort is then also associated with the great Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji. People also believe that several dynasties, such as Rashtrakutas, Nizamshahis, Yadavas, Chalukyas, Mughals, Bahamanis, Satavahanas, have used this fort. These instances, therefore, make this fort a prominent part of Maharashtra's history. Lohagad Fort was regarded as a great military marvel during prehistoric British time. The fort is a great place for a quick getaway from the busy city life. There is a well-designed water management system on the fort. The walk up to the fort is a particular favorite of trekkers, especially in the monsoon. The simple and easy trek is suitable for people of all age groups. The trekking route during monsoons becomes a bit mucky and trekkers may find some difficulty in. The hilltop has a wide open place where numerous structures from different periods can be seen. This fort is one of the twin forts of the Lohagarh-Visapur pair. We can see the Visapur fort from here. The walk to Lohagarh Fort is enjoyable with the epic scenic beauty, lush green grass, cool mountain air, the pleasant climate and sight of the villages that can be seen along the way to the fort. A variety of birds and insects can also be spotted in the hills. From the top of Lohagarh Fort, a view of the villages, beautiful bungalows, hotels and the entire hill station of Lonavala is visible. One can really relax and get some peace here. On the west side of the fort, there is a long and narrow wall-like fortified spur called Vinchukata in Marathi, in English scorpion sting, because of its natural shape. This multi-access fort is a perfect location for trekking. So if you are game for some fun, this fort will justify your attention. For beginners, trekking to this place will be a great choice as it is comparatively easier than others due to its straight route. It is more or less like a leisure walk in the midst of lush greenery. And during the monsoon, the fort looks surreal as it gets covered by fog and mist. There are plenty of options for food in nearby Lohagadwadi village. With regards to accommodation, there are plenty of options available in Lonavala. However, Lonavala is extremely crowded during weekends, since it attracts a lot of crowd from the cities of Mumbai and Pune, especially during the monsoons, so planning a trip with this in mind is advised. The ideal time to visit Lohagarh Fort is during the months of September to March, when the weather is cool and pleasant as the humidity is also low. During the monsoons, the area around Lohagarh receives heavy rainfall, and this makes the view from the fort very spectacular with the green meadows, the cascading waterfalls and the natural beauty. Lohagarh Fort is an ideal place to visit for anyone looking for a quick break from their routine, wishing to experience the joys of a simple trek up a historical marvel. Hope you like the video. Kindly support us with subscribe, share, like, comment. We will upload interesting videos frequently, so don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you all for watching.